welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I am very excited to share with you guys about my 1Thrive system. So I filmed this video and was thinking I might release it in January to kind of like, kick off our year with organization, and then realized, no, I need to share this video now so that you can order your system so you're rolling chicly into 2022 with organization. So watch the video. I'm gonna unbox everything for you, show you my home office setup, show you my brand new mudroom setup, and give you details on how you can enter a giveaway. 1Thrive is going to give one of you guys the system of your choice. So somewhere in the video, I will show you and tell you how to enter for that giveaway. So watch my video to see how you can kick off your 2022 in style and organized. First and foremost, this is not a subscription, although I have emailed them and said, we need a 1Thrive follow-up subscription. So like once you get your system, I'm gonna show you why in a minute. It would make an amazing subscription box to have the accessories for your system shipped in every quarter, 6 times a year, or even monthly. So if you're gonna use code PINK10, you can get 10% off your system plus add-ons over at the 1Thrive shop. The URL for that is down below. Enough chatting. Let me pull this guy out so you can physically see the system. Then I'm gonna tell you a little bit more about what the system does and why it makes an amazing command center for your home or office. Okay, so my very first system I got was the Brooke system. I'll pop a photo up right here. So this is my Brooke system that's in my office. The Brooke comes with standard pieces. It's one of the best sellers. It was really easy to grab it and go. I have since added on so many accessories. It doesn't look like this anymore now in my office because I keep buying the accessories and swapping it out, making it the whole system much more efficient for whatever my needs are that quarter. This is the design your own system I'm about to show you. So everything here, I picked out the pieces based on what I think my girls are gonna need to stay efficient, stay organized, and get their chores done. And so let me show you how I designed my system. I added on a hanger, so you actually can hook this onto your system, and then it has 3 hooks. My goal with that is backpacks can hang on either side, so homework can be easily pulled out. And because I'm an add-on crazy person, I have it in different colors. So here's a white version, here's the black version. They do have certain items in different colors. I'll show you some more variety of items, but yeah. So now I have actually 2 hook systems. So even if I wanted to hang both of these on the very bottom, Emma and Paige, they're color coded. I'm not gonna lie, I've been so excited about getting a system for my kids. This very moment has that same feeling in my chest that I have on Christmas morning. I am so excited to have this system. An entire month in one calendar. So I'm gonna hang this guy above that hook, and my second one I'm gonna hang above the other hook. And my goal with these right here, I want to write out literally December Emma, or Emma's December. And then her Girl Scout meetings are on here. Her upcoming major tests are on here. Anything that Emma needs to remember is on here. And it can't be confused with Paige's calendar, because Paige's calendar is gonna be over here on the white side with all of her stuff built out. I also couldn't decide if I wanted all the backpacks on one hook, like just one set of hooks like this, or if I wanted the backpacks on 2 separate hooks. So I added on the corkboard strip. So if I decide that we're only gonna use one backpack hook, I'm gonna put the corkboard strip on the other side to hang important papers, notifications, things the kids shouldn't forget. So I actually ordered both so I have some options to work with. So I'm just gonna put the corkboard strip here in the center. So this guy is gonna go at the top of the system, and it's just gonna have all general information on it. This is also magnetic, which is why I was like, maybe I don't need the corkboard to pin things through, because I could just magnetize the items on here accordingly. So you've seen all these accessories. You're probably like, I don't know if I can picture it. Let me just show you what the system looks like. So you mount this black base to your wall. It's super easy. All the instructions are there on how to mount it. And then everything has hooks. So you just hook everything on as you want. You can mix and match, change out things, get new accessories, put them in, and it's just as simple as that. Let me show you what you can get. So obviously there's a corkboard strip you can put on there. You can order the monthly headers. Another thing I am very addicted to, obviously, is the markers and the marker holders. What ends up happening is I want something for every holiday. So like right now, that's currently hanging on my system in here. So look, you just can kind of slide that over. Put your marker cup on. Oh, don't fall. Here, let's counterbalance it. Yeah? Yeah, there we go. So on my system right now, I have my red and green marker because it's December and I'm writing everything in red and green. But I am actively prepping my January, which is why I'm releasing this right now. This system is going to be fabulous for kicking your 2022 off chicly and organized. I have green and silver, and that's what I'm writing everything for January in right now. So like, here's what the packs come before you open them. And this is my latest groupings. I got these 3 different groupings of colors because I was thinking spring, summer, fall. So I've already ordered my 2022 lineup of colors. If you're sitting there thinking, hey, I have littles, like littles. They can see pictures, they can't read words, and a month would be way too much for my littles. I highly recommend you get a week at a glance. It just says Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday down the side, and you literally can draw pictures on here for each of your kiddos' chores or reminders or memory. I have always thought if my kids were little, I would totally use this system to help them memorize those things. And so you could replace this with one of these. You can get a full-size corkboard if you want. You can get a paper calendar holder, so you could have this whole system but have an actual paper calendar hooked and hanging right there. What else do I have? Oh, I have this. The 2-in-1 hook with file. It holds stuff. File folder holder. So that can hang right here in the middle. And remember, I've got this blocked off, but anything can hang from the bottom as well. And in a minute when I throw this on the wall, I will show you what that looks like. But you can hang from here, you can hang from here, and you can hang from the bottom. So it's and it's a hook. It's one hook away. You can swap things at your leisure super quick, super easy. Probably one of my all-time favorite things that they released in 2021, or maybe it was 2020, or anyways, is the magnet, like pre-done magnets. So these come in these little kits. You get markers, you get the magnets. Like this one says reminder, and this one says goals. But these are probably my favorite. Check this out. I actually have a couple of sets of these. I have these in black and white, and quite literally, you just pull the magnet off and you stick it on the date. Now you can write with the 1Thrive markers on any of, you can write on this, you can write on that, markers work on both. But for the calendar, I love just magnetically putting those on the calendar each month. And I use so if there's an important thing that I want the kids to know is coming up, like I don't want them to miss it, I will swap the color and put a black one so that they happen to not be maybe paying attention to mommy's writing. They will look and be like, uh-oh, on the first week, I have 2 black magnets. Why do I have those? That means something's different from another day. I literally could go on and on with tips and tricks on how this system works for me. So I really want to show you both of my boards. Let me reset up my office board that I totally just deconstructed to show you guys this. And you can kind of get a feel for how I'm running my home office command center using 1Thrive. Okay, this is my office system. It's stripped down except for I don't ever take the name off the top because I absolutely love it. So on any given quarter, this is what I do. I pull everything down. I'm a clean freak, so I come in and I wipe the whole system down. Once I've dusted my system, I put up my calendars. We're in December, so I will put December up top. But right behind that, I will have January because that is what I'm working towards next. And then whatever markers I'm using for these 2 guys, I place those colors only in the cups. So I'm going to swap to the gold cups because I feel like that's so Christmassy. And my desk sits on this side, so I hang everything on that side so it doesn't block my view. When I write these out, sometimes I write these boards out 3 months in advance. So that means that this writing will sit on this board 2 to 3 months. When I use the really darker colors, like the dark browns, sometimes when I go to wipe them with the paper towel and water, it does not come off. You guys, it's no big deal. You can grab the all organic natural Windex from Grove Collaborative. I have that link down below if you want to snag that. And I have a kick-a gift that you get if it's you're a first-time subscriber to them. That particular Windex is off the hook good for anything. Like, you just need to have it in your house because it's great for windows, great for mirrors, great for marble countertops. I use it for everything. I also use it to wipe down any haze that may get left. If for whatever reason you don't have that available, a magic eraser works as well. And you just use it just like a normal magic eraser. Wipe everything out with a paper towel, then get your magic eraser, and anywhere there's a haze, rub it, it comes off that quick. So at the bottom here, I kind of rotates for me. If I'm like really in a get stuff done mode, I put the file folder or a pin board up. If I'm in a more of a fun mode, which is totally what I am because it's Christmas time, I do something a little more like this. And I put my book I'm trying to remember to read. It's so funny how I always can remember to read sci-fi, dystopian, romance, those books, done. But the books that actually further my life seem to take months to read. So this current book, Lead with the Story, hopefully will get read right there as a reminder. And then I always do something holiday. And in fact, now that we're moving into the season, oh yeah, you can actually see my Christmas tree over my shoulder. I will start adding Christmas all the way around the board. So this is how I keep my home system in play. What do y'all think? Do you have any specific questions about anything I haven't covered that you're loving? Oh, I know something I haven't covered is the markers. So let me get a marker that I have not used yet. Just a sec. Okay, here is a marker I have not used. With the markers, they actually have two tips. So if you take the marker tip and you pull it out, one side is a wedge and one side is a rounded tip. Both of them are on one marker. You can swap them at any time and choose which one you like. Do you like more of a wedge writing or a fine point with the round? I like the round. I do most all of my writing with the round, so I keep the round tip up. But you literally can swap that tip at any time that you want. This one is actually written, half of this is written with the wedge tip. All of this is written with the rounded tip. So you can kind of see the difference. I just prefer the rounded. Personally, both are great. Forgot about that. What else am I missing? I know there's so many things. I'm gonna like film this whole video, wrap it up and be like, crap, I forgot to tell them about this amazing thing. Okay, let me take you over into my mud room where the new system's gonna go that's gonna be our family/kids life organizer. Okay, I am so excited because 1Thrive has given me a complete system to give to you. You can choose whichever system you want, and I am gonna gift it to you guys. So here is how you enter to win that system. First, you're gonna head to Instagram. I know, this is the first time I've ever asked you guys to do more than just YouTube, but this is a huge, really cool prize. When you're on Instagram, you are first gonna go over to 1Thrive's wall, and you're gonna give them a follow, throw some likes on some posts to show the love. Then you're gonna turn around and follow me, the pink envelope, if you're not already. Click around, show some posts, some likes, but most importantly, on the post on my wall that is showing my 1Thrive system, comment on there. Like it, comment, tell me that you're entering, tell me what you love about 1Thrive. Make sure I can see and hear you on that post on my Instagram wall. Then come back on here and say, done, I entered. And that is all you have to do to enter. I will then draw a name for Christmas. I'm going to draw it on Christmas Eve. I will draw the name and announce the name here on YouTube as well as on Instagram of who is gonna get a brand new 1Thrive system to kick their 2022 year off with perfection. Okay, I am very excited with how this turned out. So here is the kid system. I have everything for Emma on this side and this side, everything for Paigey on this side and this side. I did decide I am not gonna put the monthly stickers up here. I wanna create either like a foster family or custom create a cute phrase. I don't know yet, but I'm gonna order a new decal to go up here that is 100% custom. I have all blue markers over here for Emma because blue is her favorite. And then Paigey has all purple markers over here because purple's her favorite. And I'm going to fill out the month of December, everything that they have to do on their own calendar. So literally, they come up and they look at just their calendar and know exactly what they're responsible for. Same thing with the chores. This is, I don't remember where I got these magnets, on Amazon somewhere. So they have their chores and then they have magnets they slide up. And as they complete their chores, they literally just mark it with a magnet. And at the end of the day, I can come check it. And instead of having to write and erase, I just swipe it all down and it resets for them. Isn't that so nice? Same thing will happen here. I'll write out everything that they have to do on here. Then at the end of the month, I just shuffle the magnets over and can rebuild their month. I am super excited about this. Now, here's a question for you. Do I do the pin board? And this has their daily schedule and their cafeteria lunches and their school schedule. Leave those on the pin board with the 2 lunch boxes and leave it set up like this. Or do I do this? Put the 2 sets of hooks, making it where they can also hang their backpack at the base here and move their schedule and their lunch menu for school up here. I think I like this better. Maybe once the kids are older and they actually have more goals they're working towards or reminders, which is, I got these in one of my packs from 1Thrive. We can put that up. But right now, they're really just kind of doing what I tell them to do. So I think this is the better setup, but I would love to hear what you guys think. Did you like the first one or the second one? Also, this is mounted. It's got a screw here, a screw there, a screw at the base, and a screw here. So if you put this in even one stud, this frame is so hardy, it could easily hold a kid's backpack. I am so excited with how this turned out. I ended up hanging the kids' chart where we measure their growth right beside it because the wood tones look so good with this. And this is like the new little family hub. My husband can come and reference this. The kids can reference it. I love it. And I love how y'all are all squeezed in here. I keep like disappearing behind this wall, forgetting that we're squished in this room. I love it. It looks cuter and better than I even thought it would. So what do you guys think? I hope that you guys enjoyed that little walk through how I keep my life organized. I love my 1Thrive system. That's why I have another one. It really is a chic, beautiful looking, aesthetically, which is important to me, system that also does everything I need it to do to keep everybody organized. The kids love it. My husband love it. I love it. I hope you love it as well. Make sure to grab the coupon code so that you can save that 10%. Make sure you enter the giveaway so hopefully you can win your very own 1Thrive system. And I'm hoping to have more videos releasing with tips and tricks on things I actively do that make such a difference in keeping my life organized, my time optimized while having fun. And I have to say, I think I have finalized my 2022 phrase of the year, and I will be releasing more on that soon. I hope that you guys have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all.